Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder keeps lagging. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder keeps lagging, you should just go to settings as you see and we click. After that, in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about the application of Tinder. When you'll find this list of app info, you will enter to the window of force stop and you click OK. Here we go to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. And then we click clear data. Don't click clear data because it may cause errors. And thank you for your attention. Goodbye. See you next time in another video.